Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the 2019 Volkswagen Atlas SE. Of course, as the SE trim, this is sort of the middle range. My tester today is the VR6, which is awesome because it is one of Volkswagen's best motors that they make. Overall, looking around the car, we have a lot of chrome. We have a lot of chrome and we have a lot of black. And I honestly really like the mix. A really aggressive front bumper. And again, with Volkswagen, what they're doing nowadays is they're following the lines through the bumper into the headlight, and that's one of the best design choices that you could possibly have. And what I'll do is unlock the car, and you guys can see those beautiful amber turn signals. We have our fog lights down here. Again, a very aggressive look. It looks very Volkswagen, very German. We have some nice aggressive lines that go through the hood. Again, really nice. Walking around the side, we have some 5-spoke 20-inch wheels, a really nice design. It reminds me a lot of an old Touareg wheel, and I'm kind of glad they sort of paid homage to that car because, of course, we don't get that vehicle anymore in the United States. The car is finished in reflex silver. Walking around, I really like these lines too. It you know, from the fender goes along the door and then to the rear fender and to the back taillight, even into the taillight. The integration of the lines just go right through, which is really nice to look at. Yeah, the back of this vehicle is really nice. Unfortunately, as you guys can see, this is not a real exhaust. I will say this car does come with the towing package, which is really handy. To pop the trunk, we just press this button twice. And it opens. It's power too, which is really handy. All right, so looking inside the car, we have 3 rows, which is really handy. A 12-volt power outlet. Again, there's a lot of space. Even for the 3rd row, there's plenty of leg room. I'm 6 foot and I fit plenty easy back here. We have plenty of space right here as well. A place to hold your shopping bag. Another hook. Again, lots of space. This is a really spacious vehicle, and it's very easy for a large family to get around town with this thing. So we have a nice storage pocket right here as well. To close the trunk, we just press this button once. It'll close like so. I'll jump right into the passenger seat so you guys can kind of get an idea to what leg room we have. This is in the regular position. Again, I'm 6 foot and I fit perfectly fine back here. We have a little blind right here as well. A window switch. Our climate control is right here, as well as 2 USB with a 12-volt power outlet. But again, yes, a lot of space, a lot of headroom too. I want to say I have at least like 4 to 6 inches of headroom, which is really nice. But overall, a really nice place to be. We'll jump right into the driver's seat. All right. So on our door controls, we obviously have our window switches, mirror control, and our power trunk button. So we can lift that from there. Again, really nice place to be. Visibility wise and seating position, this is a really good seating position. Visibility is really good. We have plenty of visibility. We have our blind spot monitoring indicated right there. And yeah, I think this is a really nice setup. It's obviously very Volkswagen, so everything's plain and simple. But of course, our infotainment screen is right here. We can control radio, media, app connect, images, telephone, vehicle, sound, climate control, and then lastly, vehicle settings. And through the settings, we can control all of this stuff. So all the general Volkswagen stuff. So really nice. Our climate control buttons are still here. It's really nice to see buttons still. Volkswagen still hasn't gone completely buttonless, which is nice to see. We have our DSG shifter, our mode selector for snow, normal, hilly, and individual. Our parking switches right there. We have a nice cubby for, I mean, anything, honestly. This could fit so much stuff, which is really nice. Our steering wheel feels very premium. The leather is really nice. Speaking of the leather, this is a Titan Black full interior. Along the whole interior, we have some dark wood inlays with some silver trim around it. It looks really premium. Again, this car is, it's hard for Volkswagen to not make their car look wicked premium without it kind of like really competing with Audi. But again, this is a really premium interior, and I think they did it quite well. What we'll do now is we'll start up the vehicle, and it fires to life. So yeah, pretty much a general idea on kind of what the screen is. It kind of just shows everything. Of course, this car does come with the assist systems, which is the autonomous braking, lane keep assist, and our adaptive cruise control, which is really nice as well. On the steering wheel, you'll find all the cruise control buttons with the adaptive cruise control button right there. Our sound we can control on the steering wheel, as well as switching through songs. Our media control is right here, so we can change everything on the screen that way. And our voice control. Really nice. So to switch through, we can press this button, go back and forth. Driving data, which is generally what I leave my car in. It just shows just your range, your speed, your economy, everything. So really, really nice. So yeah, no, this is a really good package. Again, our start stop is right here, if I didn't mention that before. This car is huge, and with another emphasis on huge. This thing is a monster, and I really, honestly, I don't mind it. It's nice to see that, you know, there's no in between. Again, if you want a smaller car, just get the Tiguan, but the Atlas is kind of that big family car, and even if you don't have a big family, it's still a great car to own because it has plenty of space. So again, this is a really nice package. If you guys are interested in this car, this vehicle is being sold at Seacoast Volkswagen. We'll take a quick peek at the window sticker so you guys can get a rough idea. It is a little bit torn up, which is totally fine. Of course, the price is $42,859. It's honestly a great deal. This is a huge SUV, and the competitors would probably be like Audi Q7, Q8, and then like Mazda CX-5, maybe even CX-9. Again, if you guys are interested in this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact Seacoast Volkswagen in Greenland, New Hampshire. They'll be happy to assist you with any Atlas needs. So anyway, with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next video.